Now, this is India Today exclusive after the junior law minister told India Today that a legislative route is possible for Ram Temple as well. Now, Asaduddin Owaisi has responded to the statement that they are open to the legislation route to build the Ram Temple.
I have been joined by Member of Parliament, Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi. Mr. Owaisi, sir, talks are going on. At the same time, the court is also looking into the matter of Ram Temple. And now, BJP MP Subramanian Swamy as well as MOS Law, PP Chaudhary are saying that option of bringing a legislation cannot be ruled out.
Well, first of all, this is a threatening language which is being used by the ruling party and by the government in power. You know, what kind of mindset is this, that either you accept what we are saying, that is to leave that place, or we will do this in this way. You know, this cannot be, it's like saying, you have to be with me. That cannot be. We are saying this matter is in Supreme Court. So long as this matter is in Supreme Court, you cannot bring in a legislation. That is the law. Secondly, why doesn't this government has faith in the Supreme Court? This government should go to the Supreme Court and say, please hear it on day-to-day basis. As the Supreme Court is going to hear the triple talaq issue in summer holidays, let this government go and say, and we are ready for day-to-day hearing. If day-to-day hearing is done for 2-3 months, the decision will come. And whatever decision comes, that will...